Date with Japanese guy. You understand? You understand?
Eu achei que eu não sei que nenhum.
Vai.
Não, tenta escolher um.
These guys are Japanese football player.
I think I know this.
Oh,
one.
you know this?
This one.
This one?
No, the other one.
The other one. Oh, yeah. Because he was playing in Manchester United. シンジ香川は知っているみたい。
More handsome.
Yeah. You should choose one person.
Okay, maybe. This is hard.
This is hard.
Okay, this one.
おお、初めてかも。長友さん。
Oh, Nagatomo-san, 1 point.
おお、OK。Why?
I don't know. I think between the others, he's better.
More better? Ah, okay. But he's small, it's okay. Yeah, prefer. Okay. If he's
Maybe,
good guy. Oh,
maybe.
yeah.
If he's kind, if he treats very well a woman, maybe.
Ah, that's good news for Japanese guys. Do you like football?
I like.
Football? Which team is your fan?
In the Europe, in Italy, I like Juventus. In
Juventus.
Portugal, Football Club do Porto.
Porto?
Yeah, in Cape Verde, Florence. Yeah,
Florence.
Portugal, Benfica.
Benfica. Oh.
Cape Verde, Midlands.
Okay. Do you know any Japanese football player? No.
No.
She's from FC Porto.
Porto.
There is one Japanese
Yeah?
in FC Porto, Nakashima.
Ah, Nakashima.
Small guy,
Yeah.
Shoya Nakashima. Okay. So, this is Japanese football player.
Yeah. Wow, so many.
Which one is most bonito?
Eu achei que eu não sei que nenhum. Não, tem que escolher um. Eu vou ficar essa.
Oh.
Acho que esse mesmo último. She, this,
Okay.
me,
彼女は久保くんでした。久保建英選手。
fim. Esse tem cara mais mal.
超笑顔。
Do que esse tem. Esse. I don't like.
Small. Only face.
This.
Oh.
Cara de mal.
香川。新宿香川。わかりました。Why?
They have the face aggressive.
アグレッシブ。香川選手アグレッシブ。Why?
Gostei da cara, simplesmente. Like the face.
Just feeling? Okay. He is 18 years old.
Ai, e mais?
30.
Ah,
30. He's 18.
ok.
Ele é pequeno.
18 anos.
Ah, mostarinho, deve ser uma cara de bebê.
Bandido. No, joking. Okay, so it's finished. Obrigado.
Thank you.
Ciao. If you meet a nice Japanese guy and he likes you, can you be girlfriend of him?
I don't have opinion about it. As
If
I
you
said,
have-
I don't know.
You don't
So
know. Okay.
for me, depend of the person, not necessarily if it's Japanese or if it's Indian, if it's Chinese, Cape Verdean.
Okay,
So
thank
say-
you.
Welcome.
So, do you like football?
Football.
Yeah, football.
Yes,
Oh,
I love.
do you know any Japanese football player?
Yes, we have one in Porto.
Oh, what's name?
I forgot his name. He plays in Portugal. Oh my God,
Yeah.
I forgot his
It's your
name.
team?
Yes.
Okay.
So we
Why
have
you don't know? Number 10.
I forgot because I love football. Like I love football all my life, but in these last years I'm not watching a lot. So I saw some games, but I don't like following.
Okay.
But
Okay, I
yes.
give you a hint. Naka,
Naka.
Naka, blah blah.
Oh, I cannot.
You know?
I cannot remember. Sorry.
Nakashima.
Nakashima.
Shoya Nakashima. Number
So-
10. Number 10.
Nice.
Yes.
But I know that he plays in Porto.
Okay. This is Nakashima.
Yes.
Yeah.
Nakashima.
Yeah.
I know. This one?
Oh, Inui.
Oh,
Inui 入りました。Okay. He's also a famous player. Now
Okay.
he's in Spain.
Okay.
Yeah.
Nice.
Okay. Oh, nice.
It's nice.
Why?
I don't know. No, I like him in general. I have that specific thing.
Okay.
It's nice.
Okay. That's finished. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
This one? Oh, okay. Look. Everything. But this one. Okay. 乾選手1ポイント入りました。
乾選手
Okay. Yes. The eyes? Okay.
Olho.
Uh-huh.
nice
Yeah.
Japanese guy. I don't know, maybe.
Yeah.
I would like to know, it's a different culture from us, so it would be interesting. I would say no. If it feels good and makes us great, okay.
They are very famous.
This one seems familiar. I don't know where.
Yes. 新宿香川のことは知ってた。
Maybe him, because he kind of kept you, because his hair is different, you know? So I think him.
Okay. 新宿香川が選ばれました。
And he seemed familiar, so.
Yes. He's very popular in Japan.
Ah, okay.
This Japanese guy.
Yeah.
Which one is handsome? Good face. Yeah.
大きくしてあげたら。
You can do like this. This one? Okay, obrigado.
誰でした
乾選手1ポイント入りました。
ポイント。おめでとう
Thank you
ござい
so
ま
much.
す。
Just finish.
あ、
Bonito. Okay, go.
sehr lieb.
Number one. This?
Yes.
彼女は久保くんを選びました。And you? Go. Same?
Yeah.
Okay. 久保くん。
久保くん。
Can you date with Japanese guy? You understand?
Me gusta beber algo en japonés.
But if good Japanese guy,
Sapa só.
I don't know.
yes or no?
Maybe.
Maybe yes.
Me too.
Okay. Finito.
I would have to hear his conversation. I don't usually go out with the looks, but if he's a funny guy and nice person, and why not? So,
Oh.
sorry.
No.
I think
Uh-huh.
this one.
Okay. 堂安選手1ポイント入りました。
The second one,
Uh-huh.
he's
Yeah.
too cute. Too
Yeah.
cute for me.
あー、
So
いや
cute.
南野はめちゃくちゃキュートすぎると。
可愛すぎる。
He's also very famous in Cabo Verde.
Yeah.
He's in Liverpool.
In Liverpool.
You know?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes, but that one is.
This one.
This one, yeah.
OK。堂安選手1ポイント入りました。近くのホテルのオーナーに呼び出されたので今から行ってこようと思います。